Hey everyone, I'm seeing today we are going to be looking at the only $2,000 Mac. Yeah, it's a real Mac, and we're gonna open it up and try and just do as many things as we can and set it up. So I'm not gonna show you like all the setting and stuff, because you'll get my personal information stuff, address and stuff. But we're unboxing this today. It's a real Mac. It's original. If you don't believe me, check this side. And if you don't believe me, then just continue watching on the video. So guys, today we're gonna unbox this Mac. We are ready to go. This one. We are ready to go. And I'm actually gonna make a gaming setup video, and it's gonna be coming out about tomorrow or today. So we'll see. We're just gonna edit the video. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the Mac, the real Mac. Oh god, it's heavy. But let's go and unbox it. Okay, guys, it's time for the Mac. Here we go.